we had already discussed about two type of decimal numbers, that is terminating decimals and non-terminating repeating decimals. Okay, once again we'll recall terminating decimals. 7 by 5. 7 is divided with 5. 5 ones are 5 and the remainder is 2. Keep a decimal point here and you can place a 0 here. That becomes 20. Okay, 5 4s are 20 and the remainder is 0. That means the division ends. If you get a remainder 0, there the division ends. And this is the final quotient. You can write it as 1.4. So this is called as terminating decimals. Non-terminating repeating decimals. Okay. You take 11 by 3. Here 11 is divided with 3. 3 3s are 9. 11 minus 9 is equal to 2. Keep a decimal point and keep a 0 here. Again, what is the nearest multiple for 20 in 3 table? 18. 3 6s are 18. And the remainder is 2. Again, keep a 0 here. Again, 3 6s are 18. And the remainder is 2. It goes on like that. It goes on like that. There is no chance of getting 0 as the remainder. So this can be written as 3.6666 so on. Okay. So these are called as non-terminating repeating decimals. This can be written in short as 3.6 bar. Why I have written 3.6 bar? Because the 6 is the digit after the decimal point which is repeating continuously. So we can write 3.6 bar in short for a non-terminating repeating decimals. I'll show you some more examples. For example, if I write 17.235 so on. So how can you write this decimal point in short? This non-terminating repeating decimals. 17.235 bar. Because this 235 after the decimal point 235 is repeating continuously without any end. That's why I kept 235 for bar. Okay. Next. The next one is about period. Period and a periodicity. Periodicity. Okay. What is a period and what is a periodicity? This period and periodicity belongs to non-terminating repeating decimals. For example, if I say 17.23 bar. This is a non-terminating repeating decimals which can be written in the expanded form as 17.23, 23, 23, so on. This is the expanded form of 17.23 bar. Here, what is a period? What is a periodicity? Here, period means what are the digits that are repeating? What are the digits that are repeating? Here 2 3 is repeating after the decimal point. 2 3 is repeating continuously. So the period is 23. Periodicity. What is periodicity? How many digits are repeating? After the decimal point 2 digits are repeating. So the periodicity is 2. So what is a periodicity? After the decimal points, the number of digits that are recurring, that are repeating continuously can be called as periodicity. And what is a period? After the decimal point, how many digits? What are the digits? What are the digits that are recurring continuously? What are the digits that are recurring continuously can be called as period. How many digits that are repeating continuously can be called as periodicity. Here 2 digits are repeating, so the periodicity is 2, and the digits 2 and 3 are repeating continuously, so the period is 2 3. Okay. Next. So you understood what is a period and what is periodicity. Okay. Okay. Next, non-terminating non-terminating, repeating or recurring, you can say repeating decimals. Decimals are of two types. They are also classified into two types. That is pure repeating, or you can say recurring. Pure repeating, and the second one is mixed repeating. Mixed repeating. The first one is pure repeating and the next one is mixed repeating. What is a pure repeating decimal? Pure repeating decimals are the decimals in which after the decimal points, if all the digits are repeated continuously, that means after the decimal point, if all digits are having bar, that means that decimal is called as pure repeating. For example, 17.65 bar. What is expanded form? 17.656565, so on. That means after the decimal point, 6 and 5 are the two digits which are repeating continuously. So we can keep bar for 6 and 5. So this decimal is this type of non-terminating repeating decimals can be called as pure repeating. Pure repeating. You can take another example. 256.1736, 1736, 1736, so on. Write in short 256.1736 bar. 1736, again 1736, 1736 is repeated continuously. So I can write it as 256.1736 bar. Because after the decimal point, all the digits are having bar. Such type of decimals are called as pure repeating decimals. Next, what are mixed repeating decimals? Mixed repeating decimals. I think you can guess what are the mixed repeating decimals. Mixed. After the decimal points, if few digits are left over and the remaining digits repeated continuously. Example 18.3727272, so on. How can you write this in a short form? 18.372 bar, because 72 is repeating continuously. So I can't keep bar for 3. 3 is free, 3 is not repeated, only 72 is repeated continuously. So, this type of decimals are called as mixed repeating. That means, after the decimal point, it is leaving some digits. Some digits are left over and the remaining digits continue repeating. Another example, 185.7324444, so on. Tell me, how can you write this in short form? We can write this in short form as 185.7324 bar. 4 bar. So that means I am keeping only bar for the 4 and the remaining 732 is left over without any bar. Such type of decimals are called as such type of decimal numbers are called as mixed repeating decimals. Okay, so these are the type of non-terminating repeating decimals. Okay, I hope you understood what are the type of terminating decimals and non-terminating repeating decimals and pure repeating and mixed repeating. In the next section, we will discuss how to write the P by Q form of such type of terminating decimals. Terminating decimals already you know, and non-terminating repeating decimals, how to write in P by Q form, and what is the general method and what is the shortcut method of writing the non-terminating repeating decimals in P by Q form. We will see in the next section. Thank you very much.